Hey guys, how you doing? I'm gonna show you how to make some crepes today. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. Very easy. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose. 1 quarter cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 1/4 cup of milk. 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and about a tablespoon of butter, melted butter. There we go. I'm gonna dry first. Then I'll do the wet. Milk. And extract. Good. And salt. Almost forgot. Don't forget to add the butter. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. With the stick of butter, I'm buttering the pan, even though it's a non-sticking, but I want to take a chance. There you go. When you're ready, ready? It's okay. Let me just put these here.